class 10 students may be feeling as if there's a weight off their shoulder, but there is class 12 students as well. Across the country, the feeling is exams should not be held right now. Are we pushing class 12 students into further uncertainty, further chaos by telling them, you know what, now I'll tell you 15 days later whether I want you to undergo exams or not?
Yeah, thank you for taking up this issue. And I really thank India Ahead because they have been fighting this battle since beginning, and they were with the students and we are raising voice to reach it to the higher authorities. See, as far as the examination cancellation of 10th is concerned, it is a good move, no doubt. And as far as the 12th board is concerned, right now, I don't think physical examination would be advisable because the situation is critical. Even today, we can see how the students are getting COVID positive in many of the cities and states. Even 10th board and 12th board students who are going to school for submitting their practicals and all, they are also getting COVID positive. So it is a high risk zone where if we will conduct the exams at this moment or maybe after 10 days or 15 days, students will be at high risk. That's why the decision which was being taken for 10th is a welcome move so that they can go ahead, move ahead and can continue with their further academic. Maybe they can start focusing on 11th and 12th also. And entrance exams is also going to be conducted.
But for students of class 12, Arubaji, I'm just wondering, for students of class 12, how do you solve the situation? You know, because see, look, this COVID story is not going to change. It's not as if that it is deteriorating right now. It's not as if that suddenly overnight in the next 1 week it's going to develop. It's only going to go one way, which is further, which is deteriorating more and more. Yes. So how do you solve the situation then for class 12 students? If you cancel, I'm saying if you cancel the exams for class 12, what's the way forward then?
If they will cancel the 12th board examination, then also they have an option of assessment. Assessment can be done based on assignment, project work, many things can be done. Internal assessment also can be done for 12th board students, whatever they have studied in past. At least they will be able to evaluate the students based on their internal assessment and whatever projects they have submitted, and assignment can be given to these students. Multiple choice questions can be given to 12th board students like they are doing for 10th, and on the basis of that the students can be evaluated. Even other countries are also going ahead with internal assessment, and other universities are also taking
but these are systemic